Okay, so first we are starting with the pi. So if I'm writing down pi, I'm getting all these numbers, so this is the value of pi. But if I want longer number, so what I have to do, I have to use bpa break start pi dot I need 40 number, so I need 40, so I'm getting that pi of 40. These are the 40 numbers in that pi. Next one is how we can find out the roots. So second part is roots. So for example, question is I'm writing down here. So 81 power 1 upon 4, what will be the answer of this one, right? So now, so I can write down is nth root of 81. So what should be the power? Power should be in the form of 1 upon 4, so I write down 4. So here, so means fourth root, so answer is 3. If I'm saying that fifth root, so if I'm changing that one 5, so answer will be this. You can cross check that one. So means what will be the 5 power of that answer, 5 power. So you can say that we are getting the again same answer. Now after this one, CLC. Next one is the how we can change sign. If I'm writing down 90 degree, so what will be the answer? So 90 degree is this one. Why I'm not getting the one answer? Because sine 90 is 1, because 90 here is not a degree, that is radiant. So radius in the form of that, use that always MATLAB. So we have to convert this. First is in the form of radius. So 90 degrees. So DEG degree to degree to radius, right? So I can write down, then what I have to convert, 90 degree I have to convert, right? So do the enter. Now you are getting that. So at 90 degree this will be the radius. So now I have to find the sine on this answer. So answer is, I can write down answer only, so I'm getting 1. So if I have to find out the you can say that is simple way. What will be the simple way to find out CLC? First, to find the sine 90 degree, so sine D, write down D, then write down 90 degree. So now if you are writing 9, now you are getting, so D is represent to degree already, so you don't have to do anything else. So just write down D, so you will get the answer. Next one is the inverse sign. So use A means the inverse sign, sine 1. So we know that what will be the, okay, so this is the answer, sine 1. So sine 1, we know that sine 1 is at that 90 degree, right? So because A inverse, so this will be the right, I'm writing down like this one. So for example, sine 90 degree, sine 90 degree is equal to 1. So 90 degree is equal to sine, this is A sine 1 should be 90 degree. So answer should be the 90 degree, but we are getting the different answer. So here I am getting this answer, but this answer is in the form of radiant. So now we have to do the reverse of the previous one. Previous we did is degree to radiant. So now I'm doing the radiant to degree. Radiant to degree. What? Radiant to degree? Answer. This answer I am changing in the form of degree. Now you can see that I am getting the 90. So 90 degree, this is the answer. Now CLC again. Now some more function. So like for example, if I'm writing down is pi, so I'm getting this answer. If I'm writing down is format long, okay, format long. So now I'm writing down pi Now you can see that you will get large answer. If I'm writing down is format short, okay, after that I'm writing down pi. Now you can see that you are getting small answer. If I'm writing down that format bank, if I'm writing down, after this one I'm writing down pi. Now you can, in format bank, after dot you are getting only 2 point. Now if you want more space in that part, okay, so at the bottom you don't have space, so just write down home. Now you can see that you can scroll upward, you can see that you have more space right now. So no, that writing down home. Okay, so next one is, if I'm writing down 3/9, what will be the answer will be this one. Okay, so this is 0.33. But if I want answer in the form of fraction, so what I have to do, I have to write down is symbolic SYM. Now 3 divided by 9. So now if I'm writing down, now you can see that now you are getting the 1/3 answer, right? If you are using symbolic, in symbolic always it's write down in the form of fraction. Next one is, if I want to change this one in the form of points, so I can write down DUPLE double answer means another way to write down this answer. So double answer means this is the another way. So MATLAB write down the another way to write down this answer. Next one is the log. So if I'm writing down log log 10, so what will be the value of log 10? Okay, so log 10 it's giving nothing. So log, always use bracket while writing down, right? Now you are getting the 2.30. So but log 10 is, you can say that is 1. So why they are giving this one? Because its log always use e value. So if I'm writing down e power 2.3, e is that it's not taking the exponent, exp power 2.3. so that one CLC. Now log, so we are at log 10, you have to write down. Now if you're if you're mentioning base, now first 10 is represent to base, right? So now you are getting one answer. So if you are writing down log 232, so now you are getting 5. So this is 2 power 5 is equal to 32. So this is the log. Next one is, that one is the from complex number. So complex number is e is equal to 3 plus 2 iota, so 5. So if I'm writing down imaginary, I am ag of a 2, imaginary part of this one is 2, right? So similarly, if I'm writing down real, I will get the real. So if I'm writing abs means absolute value of this one, so I'm getting this one 3.61. That will be the absolute value of this equation. So next one is angle, angle, angle. Just write down this one spelling. So now this will be the angle 0.59. This will be the angle. Next one is, we are doing that one CLC first. then a is equal to 1 space 2 space 3 right. So right, so now I can see that one, this is the vector. So if I'm writing down semicolon, so means in MATLAB not going to execute this one. Now you can say that C not executing. B is equal to 5 6 7. Now B is executed because I not put at the end this semicolon. Now if I have to value find the cross, means A cross B, so C is equal to CRO double cross A comma B. Now this will be the value, this will be the A cross B. Similarly, if you want to find out A dot B, so just write down dot. So I'm clearing this one. Now next, which is very very important part, for example you have some equation, I'm writing down here. You have equation is 2x plus 4y is equal to 14 and 5x plus 3y is equal to 21. So if you want to find out the value of x and y, how you can find out? So very easy one, from this equation to find the value of x and y. So first you have to write down is a, you can write down a, b, does not matter. So bracket start 2 space 4 space 14, okay, semicolon. So first these three will be in the same row, so semicolon means moving to the another row, second row. So now I'm writing down is 5 3 and 21. So if I'm ending, so I'm getting this matrix will be the 2 into 3 matrix. So now next one, if I'm writing down b is equal to reduce row into echelon form EF, right? So for which A, so doing that one, so I'm getting answer. Here I can see that first one is the 1 is equal to 3 and second one is equal to 2. So this one, first one, this is x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. So this will be the answer, CLC. Now next one, next one is line space. So line space is also very very interesting, LINSPACE, line space. Line space, if I'm writing down 1 comma 10, so this means this give you the answer of 100 term line space. So if you are not mentioning, but if you are mentioning that line space 5, if I'm writing down after comma 5, so means it will give the answer of only 5 number. Now you can see that there are 5 number start from 1 to 10. So 1 to 10 divided into that 5 number, it's that 1 3.25, so on 5.5, then 7.75, okay, 7.75, then 10, right? This is line space. So similarly you can use the another part, for example CLC, first I'm clearing. So A is equal to 1 4, so this means first 4 number. So if I'm writing down this one is 20, so means 20 number. But if you are mentioning this one with if I'm writing down one more 10, now this is very important. So center number is represent to difference. Now you can see that one, center, this 2 is represent to difference, start with 1, then plus 2, then plus 2 plus 2 up to 10. So 10 is not coming here, so up to 9 it's taking only up to 9, right? So center one here is represent to that the difference. Next one I'm writing down home will give me more space, home, okay. So after this one, LCM, how we can find the LCM of any number. For example, I need the LCM of a number. I can say that LCM of 21, 27, 33 and 55. What will be the LCM? So now we are using the LCM method. First I will write down any A, B, C, does not matter. I am writing down B is equal to, first I have to clear the previous one, C L E R, clear all. So CLC. Now I can write down anything. B is equal to I'm writing down the what will be the SYM, symbolic number, right? So symbolic number, break start. So 21, then 27 comma 33 comma 55. So now, so these are written in the symbolic form. If I'm doing the enter, right, so these are the numbers. So now I have to find the LCM of this number from that B. So I will write down only is LCM of what, LCM of B, sorry, B. So now this will be the answer. If I have to find the SCF, then I write down a GCD, greatest common divisor of B. So this will be the answer 1. So SCF will be the 1. This is the concept of LCM and SCF. Now for example, I am taking one more example. For example, you have to find the LCM of number is x power 3, x and x power 2. So same concept you can apply here also. You can first write down the symbolic. Always when you are using x, y, z, these variable, always use symbolic those things. Okay, symbolic x, because I'm using x. So first we have to tell to MATLAB this is symbol, x is symbol, don't calculate x. So that's why we are writing down LCM, then again break start, then another bracket, right? So then x power 3, right, comma, then x, then comma, then x power 2. So now now this will be the LCM. Now you can see that LCM of all these numbers is x power 3. Now this is the way we can write down that LCM and SCF. Similarly you can find out the SCF also for this number. If I am doing the for SCF, I have to write down this one is greatest common divisor, greatest common GCD. Now you can say that x. So CLC, I'm doing CLC. Now if I have to take the random matrix, so I can write down is RAND. So what kind of matrix I'm taking is 2, 4 matrix. So now, so it's all taking that random matrix, okay, from start with this that 2 into 3. So these are the even real number. So if I want to number which are particular from this particular interval, so I can do that one also. For example, CLC, so RAND, random number. RAND is random, I is integer. So random is random number but integer. Now next, if I'm adding one more thing, so in this one, if I'm writing down the number which are between 10 and 20, so only those, take only those number which are between 10 and 20. Okay, so what kind of matrix then it will ask is, are you making? I'm making the matrix of 4 into 4. So 4 comma 4 matrix, right? So I'm into 4, and okay, so here I'm written that one 4 into 4. I cannot use that bracket, so now you can see that one. So all number are between 10 to 20, so all these number. Okay, then I have to use the matrix with 1. So once, what kind of matrix? 5 into 5, so write down only 5. Now, so if you want to write down particular matrix, so for example, once matrix is 3 into 4 type of matrix, so write down 3 into 4. Now you can see that one, this is 3 into 4. Now matrix of zeros is 2 into 3 type of matrix, right? So now you can take 0. Now next one is how you can sort out the number. So you can sort out number. For example, a is equal to 2, 6, 3, 1, 7, 9. Okay, so these are the number. So these are the not in increasing order or not in decreasing order, so I will have to sort out this number. If I have to sort out this number, so I will write down SORT, sort. So a sort. Now you can see that 1 2 3 6 7 8 6 7 and 9, so in increasing order. It's writing in increasing order. Next thing is CLC first. If I'm making the matrix, so matrix A, I'm making matrix A is equal to back start, so 1 7 3 and 7. So this is the first row, so semicolon means it will shift to the second row. Now in second row I need 4 8 and 1 semicolon, then 9, not 9, after 9 5 2, now you can say this is 3 into 3 matrix, but I have to take some number from this matrix, so I will write down is B matrix. Okay, so what is B matrix? B matrix is equal to I need some number from A, so I need a row. From which row? I am taking from second row, means I am starting from this. I need number from, I need these 4 number, for example 3 8 7 1, right? So I can say that A, let's start. This is first one is first and second row, so I can draw the first comma second, so close bracket, then comma. Now what is the column is second and third column, so I will write down is second third, right? So this will be the column. Now I'm putting the enter. Now you can see that you will get this part only, but if I'm doing the reverse part of this one, that is also possible. 1 here, if I'm putting 2 here, now you can see that first they have written is 8 and 1 means the reverse part, this one second line. Okay, then it is 1 and 7, the reverse part. Okay, we can do like this one also. Next one, if I have to find out, I'm first doing the clear CLC, clear everything. Now next one is if I'm putting C is matrix. Okay, so from A is already there, saved. Okay, so if I'm putting the 3, first of all I will write down is A, what is A. So you can see that one. Okay, now this is the A matrix. Now from this one I need only this part, I need this part, so I will write down is A, capital A, always write down A capital or smaller according to that one. Okay, third one, write down only 3 1. So now you can see that it's giving me that first one, means third row. So column will be always that first one if we are not mentioning that column. If we are mentioning that column only, then it will give the right one. Now D, if I'm writing down sum of A. Now A is the matrix, so sum, what will be the sum? Now you can see that sum will be the according to that column. Sum of the first column here, second here, third here. So column wise sum. So but if I have to sum the all that matrix, so you have two options. You can further do the sum of this answer. Sum of this answer, you will get 40. Other thing is, another one I can do is, first I'm clearing out clear now CLC. Okay, another one is sum A and all. So otherwise you are getting the sum only from that column wise sum. So write down all. So all in that bracket, so that bracket close. So now you can directly getting the answer 40, right? So these you can apply any out of these two methods. So but if you want sum according to, first I will write down CLC and A. Now this is the matrix. So if you want sum of A, if you write down 2, so now you can see that one 2. If you have written 2, so it will be the adding first row, second row, third row. If, because otherwise it is giving the answer of the column, adding the all columns. So now if I'm writing down 1 instead of 2, if I'm writing down 1, now you can see that this is the normal sum which it's giving, actually giving. So these are the things which you have to remember. So okay, R A N D, random number, so I integer. If I'm writing down only 12, I'm not mentioning from 12 to 20. If I'm writing down only 12, so what that can assume, now you can see that means maximum, it's taking that number is as a maximum number, right? So from that one, if I have to find the minimum number of that matrix A, so this is the minimum number. It's from taking from all the rows. So minimum, and again minimum of this answer. Okay, now you getting that proper minimum number. Now if I have to find the square root, RT square root of A, square root of A, so it's not giving the response. Square root of A, no, it's right. Now this is the square root of that matrix, but it's square root of each number. So but according to matrix, if you have to write down square root, so write down M with that one. Now it's matrix square root. So how you can cross check one, just do the square of that answer, write down answer into answer, you are getting the same A answer. For example, answer multiply by answer, so now you can see you will get same answer. This will be equal to A. Okay, so I'm ending that one.